Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining to this meeting. And today we will be presentation by Group 5. Group 5, time is yours.
Oke, eh, Storytelling Group 5. Anggotanya adalah Fauzan Nifa dan rekan saya adalah Stephen Jonathan Prabowo. Definition telling a story which meant telling a story. Storytelling consists of two words, story which meant story and telling what means telling. Storytelling is the activity of telling a story that has a plot to the people around. The story can be fiction or not fiction. Storytelling can be done through visual media such as word, picture, or sound. Element of storytelling. My first are the character, protagonist, and antagonist that drive the story. Character shall be reliable to creative empathy. Uh, into setting. The time and place where the story unfolds point help in binding the where her and mode. The next plot, the question of event that structure the story, consist of beginning, middle, and end. The next conflict, central problem or change finds be the character, creates, dance, and kept the audience again. The next, the time, the underlying message of image of the story connect with the audience belief and emotion. The next slide, type of storytelling consists of oral storytelling. Example for traditional form include folk tales. The next one with storytelling. Uh, Example-nya include novel, short stories. The next visual storytelling. The example used image, video, or illustration. The last are digital storytelling. Example incorporates multimedia, source arts, video, music, and interactive. Example of powerful storytelling. Classic literature, Example, to kill a mockingbird by happily tackles them of legend and morality. Movies. Example, The Lion King acknowledges them of proportionality and ground-tongue her journey. Selanjutnya akan dijelaskan oleh Stephen.
Summary. Storytelling is a fundamental human skill that connects us. Elements like character, plot, and conflict are essential for a good story. Different medium of storytelling cater to different audience. Storytelling is powerful in business, education, and leadership. Embrace new technologies and trends to keep storytelling fresh and engaging. All right, is there anyone want to ask a question? All right, Siti Nurjana, is there anything you want to ask?
Okay, I will ask group 5. What should we do to be a good storyteller?
Natasha, is there anything you want to ask?
What are some common mistakes to avoid in storytelling? Thank you.
Saskia, is there anything you want to ask?
How do you create a story opening that can immediately attract the audience attention? Thank you.
All right. Now I will answer the question from Jana. Question is, what should we do to be a good storyteller? First, what we need to do is know your audience. Understand who you're speaking to and tailor your story to their interests, needs, or values. Second, start with a strong hook. Capture attention right from the beginning with an intriguing question, facts, or situation. Third is use the structure of a story arc. Beginning, introduce character setting and establish the conflict. Middle, build tension and develop the conflict. And resolve the conflict and reveal the lesson or insight. Next is create relatable character. Whether your character are real or fictional, they should feel relatable and have clear motivation. Fifth, add sensory detail. Engage your audience sense, describe sight, sound, smell, and texture to make scenes vivid. 6. Use emotion to drive the story. Don't just tell what happened, show how it felt. 7 is keep it concise and focused. Avoid overloading the story with too many characters, scenes, or subplots. 8. Build to a meaningful resolution. Every story should have a purpose or insight, whether it's a lesson, a call to action, or just entertainment. Make sure there's a satisfying conclusion. 9. Use voice and body language. Vary your tone, pace, and volume to match the mood of different parts of the story. The last is practice and reflect. Great storytelling improve with practice. Tell your story, gather feedback, and refine your approach. That's all my answer for Jana. Is this answer your question?
Okay, thank you, Stephen.
Okay, I will answer question from Kia. Question of what are some common mistakes to avoid in storytelling? Some common mistakes to avoid in storytelling include 1. Loss or purpose. A story should have clear purpose. 2. No conflict. A central conflict divides the plot and moves the story forwards. 3. Predictable plot. A predictable plot can cause people to lose interest. 4. Less of character development. Character that don't love can make it difficult for the audience to parents in the journal. 5. Not know your audience. What interesting to one group might not be interesting to another. 6. Lots of the context. Transition like flashback should be informed by the present action of the story. The last venue writing. Avoid venue the details and fuzzy ideas. Enough.
Thank you, Fauzia.
All right. Now I will answer the question from Saskia. The question is, how do you create a story opening that can immediately attract the audience attention? First is to start in the middle of action. Example, she sprint through the alley, heart pounding with footsteps echoing behind her. This puts the audience directly into an intense or intriguing moment, pulling them in. Second is pose a provocative question. Example, what would you do if you had only 24 hours to live? A thought-provoking question immediately engage curiosity and invite the audience to imagine themselves in the story. Third is introduce an unusual or surprising fact. Example, they say it only takes 7 seconds to fall in love, but for him it took just one. A surprising fact or concept can make people want to keep reading to understand more. Fourth is set an unsettling or mysterious scene. Example, the old house sat silent. the windows dark, but every night someone saw a single candle flickering in the attic. Mystery engaged the reader's imagination and left them wanting to know what's really happening. Fifth is introduce a compelling character. Example, when Sarah was 5, she learned how to disappear, not literally, but in a way that no one would ever notice her. A relatable or intriguing character can hook the audience interest, especially if they're unique or face an unusual situation. 6. Use strong sensory details. Example, the smell of burning wood and the cracking of embers filled the night air as shadows danced on the cabin walls. Sensory description help paint a vivid picture, immersing readers in the setting immediately. 7. Make a bold statement or assertion. Example, all monsters are real, and I know this because I married one. A bold opening line can set the tone and make the reader curious about the story's unique perspective. 8. Hint at conflict or high stakes. Example, she had one rule, never look back, but today she broke it. A hint of tension or challenge right from the start signal that something significant is at stake. 9. Use a voice that's engaging or unusual. Example, I didn't set out to steal a car, but sometimes life gives you weird options. A distinctive conversational voice can feel the story is being told personally, creating instant rapport. Is this answer, are my answer is answering your question?
Yes, thank you, Stephen.
Yeah.
Okay, for group 5, can you tell us about the conclusion for this storytelling? Stephen's time is yours.
All right. The storytelling is a timeless, universal tool that shapes connection, conveys meaning, and leaves a lasting impression. Elements like character, conflict, and themes are essential for crafting engaging, relatable narrative. In field from marketing to education, storytelling's power to inspire, teach, and connect is unmatched. Stories have the power not only to entertain but to transform. By mastering storytelling, we harness the ability to inform, inspire, and create shared experience that bridge culture, ideas, and values. Consider how you can use storytelling in your own life, whether to share your vision, connect with others, or bring about change. What story will you tell? Nah,
Yeah, thank you, Stephen. This is the end of Zoom meeting, and thank you for the group 5. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.